Hello everyone, my name is Akin Kinpon. You can call me Yolanda. I am from Myanmar. Nice to meet you all. I am currently a freshman studying at Rangsit University, majoring in ICT, Information Communication Technology. Nice to meet you all. I'm very much delighted to be part of the RIC Language Center. I must say that if you really want to boost your English language skills, then you are in the right place. I can guarantee our 10-week language program will surely benefit you not only by enhancing your language skills, but also promoting your language confidence. Besides, our supportive team members are always willing and are always ready to lend a helping hand. So what are you waiting for? I can't wait to see all of you. I look forward to meeting you. So see you soon. Stay safe and take care. Cheers. Bye.